Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Features also include parking assist system, rear view camera, heated mirrors, MP3, third row seating. Take a ride in the 2020 Express Cargo. The Chevy Express Cargo van is ready to handle all of your work tools, carpooling to work, or running the kids to soccer. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.